See, first you have to sign up. You just have to pick the same email ID that you have shared with us. Okay. Then here is a new chat option. Okay. I mean, if you want to chat, or else it will be always start with a new chat only. Okay. So navigate a new chat, and then you have to pick a role, like what role you're, you know, I mean, are you looking for like a Python script, or are you looking for like a Dynamo script? So you have to choose accordingly. Okay. Then the tone is very important, as I told you. Like, do you want to write a script as a professional, or you are learning something? Okay, that's a professional tone. And instructional tutorials told, if you need a detailed style. Okay, so the style is also very important. And the generate again, so generate or explain, whatever. Okay, and then you just have to type your question, what do you exactly need. And then once you're done with this, just you have to click on copy button. You just have to copy. Now, whatever you have written in the first line and the second line, it will be copied. Now you have to paste it in the third line. Okay. So let's say I just click on copy button, and then I clicked here and I pasted, copied that. And now click on send button. That's it. Now it will give you the complete result. Okay. Got it? No? Simple.